Welcome back. Residents of Candolim and Calangute have strongly opposed the government's move to bring both the villages under the Planning Development Authority. A resolution opposing the move was passed by the villagers during a special Gram Sabha. Some of the villagers claim that the local MLA failed to take them into confidence. Ex-Calangute MLA Agnello Fernandez alleged that the local MLA is taking the villagers for a ride.
इथून ulterior motive हमको होता है MLA जो only Calangute and Candolim is thought to be brought under this, which are not under his control. Development कोतलो जाल्यार आरपोरा घाल्ली आता आणि दुसरे साउथ गोवाचे विलेज पंचायती आहा. लोकांक फोटो इल्या सांगून की गारा रेगुलराइज जातली म्हणून बीचारी फिशरमॅन्स आर्ट. Nobody can regularize it except with the permission of Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority and the Panchayat. PDA cannot, it is only a planning authority and not a licensing authority. So we have unanimously resolved to oppose this move.
आम्ही ही पिढीचेर ओपोज आहा. आम्ही कांदोली आणि कालांगूट दोन्ही विलेजी एकठांय रावन आम्ही झगडटले, जावं कोर्टान जावं रस्त्यार जावं खंयसरूय, पूण आम्ही पिडीए करूंक दिवचे ना. कित्याक पिडीए केली म्हणटच आमचे गांव जातले अर्बन एरियाज म्हणजे म्युनिसिपालिटी जातली.
आम्ही रेझोल्युशन घेतला की आमकां पिडीए नाका, सगळ्या लोकांनी ओपोज केला आणि याच्या वयर आम्ही फुडें आमचो प्रोसिजर चालू आसतलो.
ही पिढी न्हू, ही पिढी आमकां मुद्दम लायता तेन्ना तुमी हुशार जायात. सगळ्या गांवच्या लोकांक सांगात की आमकां पिडीए नाका. पिडीएन म्हणटा तें अशें जातलें तशें कांयच ना. तुमकां प्लेन नासतना कितें करूंक मेळटना.
National Safety Organization has alleged that Chief Inspectors of Factories and Boilers Mr. Marathe and Mr. Paranjape had committed a scam. Both have illegally cleared Aero Technical Services as competent institution to examine, test and certify dangerous equipment in all industries across Goa. Chief Inspector Paranjape says Deshpande's competency certificate was revoked and has a personal rivalry with More.
National Safety Organization President Dilip Deshpande has alleged a scam in factories and boilers. Deshpande has alleged that factories officer cleared Aero Technical Services as competent authority without examining or verification. Aero is headed by More.
Mr. Paranjape, Chief Inspector of Factories, also did not bother whether it is really of good institute, whether the head, Mr. Sanjay More, is having knowledge. He did not see anything and he immediately sanctioned, granted competency to this newly formed institute, which is very, very dangerous.
We caught up with Chief Inspector Paranjape. He said Deshpande's competence certificate was revoked and hence has a personal rivalry with More.
Deshpandeचा आरोप असा पळय, that is his personal rivalry against a person. ताज्या अंडर एकटो संजय मोरे म्हणून काम करतालो. ताजी ती पर्सनल रेव्हलरी. ताची एज चड जाल्या कारणान 62 जावन तो गेला, त्यामुळे ताजे हांवें रिवोक केले. जे कॉम्पिटन्सीचे सर्टिफिकेट दिले ते हांवें रिवोक केले म्हणून तो ताळवला. आणि तेज्या बदलाक एरो टेक्निकल सर्विसीस म्हणून दुसऱ्यान संजय मोरेन म्हजे कडेन इन्स्टिट्यूशन म्हणून रजिस्टर केले. हांवें ताका दिलें. त्यामुळे तेतून आमची चूक कांय ना. वी हॅव डन द रायट थिंग. तेतून हें कांय ना.
Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.